Which is better, cultured marble or marble? Dear friends, when choosing between cultured marble and natural marble, the best option depends on your budget, style, and maintenance needs. Natural marble is known for its timeless beauty and luxurious appearance. Every slab has unique patterns and rich textures that make kitchens and bathrooms look elegant and high-end. Marble also adds value to a home. However, real marble requires regular sealing and careful maintenance. It can stain, scratch, and etch easily if acidic liquids like lemon juice or vinegar spill on the surface. It is also more expensive than cultured marble. Cultured marble, on the other hand, is a man-made material created from marble dust and resin. It is more affordable, easier to maintain, and resistant to stains and moisture. That makes it a popular choice for bathroom vanities, shower walls, and countertops. Another advantage of cultured marble is its smooth and seamless finish. Since it is manufactured, it can be made in many colors and designs to match modern interiors. But cultured marble may not have the same natural luxury and uniqueness as real marble. Over time, the gel coating can also wear out or lose shine. So, if you want premium beauty and luxury, choose natural marble. If you prefer affordability and low maintenance, cultured marble is the smarter option. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.